It gives me an immense pride to talk about Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh, a campus that truly needs to be experienced to be appreciated. This is not just a new campus, it's a bold stride towards the future of scientific education. As a professor of Faculty of Sciences, I can confidently say that our program in pharmacy, forensic sciences, biotechnology and data science are thoughtfully crafted to combine fundamental scientific principles with latest technological advancement. Our students are engaged in the scientific activities through AI-powered classrooms, smart classrooms and interdisciplinary projects that bring learning to life. Our students engage in dynamic ways through AI-powered laboratories, smart classrooms and interdisciplinary projects that bring learning to life. When we talk about experiential learning, we mean it. Our campus is equipped with some of the most advanced laboratory infrastructure, which includes AR/VR labs, state-of-art science labs and specialized research facilities.